Hey guys, we got Samsung M53 online from Amazon. Now we are kind of scared what is inside the package. This is me, Lakshmi, and this is Guruji here. This is the package he is sitting with. So now he will do the unboxing and check what is inside the box. Chalo, kholo.
देखो गाइस सब 456 नंबर रहना चाहिए वो सब है
क्या नंबर होना चाहिए दिखाओ.
यहाँ 456 so written here okay security number 1 2 3 4 5 6 visible at the edges of the bag okay 4 5 so 456 is the
456 should be visible at the edges of the bag.
Yeah.
You can see 456, 456, 456. On all sides it should be
second one
there.
is center line between blue sealing tape, not green pink except at the edges. If you see, this is blue line. Use of any tape is not allowed. If you see no tape, if they tamper it, they'll add tape here. So that's
So no tape should be allowed on this.
yeah,
Okay.
no tape is allowed. So all the 4 criterias are met now.
Okay, Guruji has thoroughly checked that all these things are met. He's an extra cautious guy. Now he's opening.
See, the 1 2 3 is here, and 4 5 6 this side.
Okay.
See the package. M53 5G.
Woohoo! Whoa, whoa.
See, ये सील रहना चाहिए.
You see this sealed? Like this it should be sealed. It shouldn't be opened. Some QR code is, some barcode is also here. Yeah, here also, this side also it is sealed, not opened. And all 4 sides it is sealed. Samsung M53 5G. Phone ka box to theek nikla. Phone's box is correct. Now let's see what is inside the box.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
This opened this now. What is this? So this has this pin. You see here, with this only you have to open the SIM tray. So with Samsung phones, right, what I observed, its SIM tray doesn't open with safety pin. Don't use safety pin. This is what they have given for that sake. They only give the cable. Please note that only cable comes, okay? You don't get adapter. How much did the adapter cost?
1,000 rupees around. I don't exactly how much.
That you have to order separately. Only this cable comes along with this box.
Light is gonna come.
This is not a high-end phone. On Amazon sale, what card you used?
I use Citibank card, and this actually priced around
26,000.
26. So it was around 22,000 in the Amazon side, and with Citibank card I got around 3,000 plus cashback. So it just costed me only 18,750.
18,750. Samsung M53.
Yeah.
6 GB variant.
Yeah.
128 GB internal.
Yeah.
Damn. Thanks Guruji for the new phone. ये मेरा vlogging का phone बनेगा अब. ये लगता है phone लेके भाग जाएगा अब. How is Amazon delivery?
It is very good. Bezos
Within Jai Bezos bye. See, that's how he's opening the cover.
Come on, Becky, you can do it.
Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it.
Aya Surya. सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
जय बजरंग बली, जय श्री गणेश.
देखो इसमें 4 कैमरास है.
Oh, 4 cameras.
बैक
4 cameras. Quadruple cameras. Quad cameras. I don't know what to call this.
is good.
Finally, this guy came to Samsung family. I also own a Samsung. He owns a Samsung now. That's midnight blue, I think. No, deep blue. Whatever color that is.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Is this your first Samsung phone?
Yes.
How did you find the UI? Is the UI smooth?
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Delivered our parcel in a good way, and all delivery safety precautions were taken, and we really found the phone inside the package, not stones and all that. So that's it. Hope you like this unboxing video.
Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Take care and bye, and subscribe.
Savannah.